This bridge we're on, guys, is 3,030 feet long and 876 feet high. See right? Oh, you can't see it.
I love Jenny and I guess always will.
Okay, we're at the walk to the scenic overlook of the River Gorge Bridge.
New River Gorge Bridge.
Oh, it's nice and shady.
In West Virginia. Well, this is the way down, peoples. Little overlook down here somewhere. Oh, it's here.
I see the bridge now.
Oh yeah, we can see the bridge. We see the bridges. Not want to be able to get it on camera. If not, you won't be seeing this. Easy as. There's a few people here. Well, this is the bridge being built, guys. Completed in October 22nd, 1977.
Oh, so it's a 45-minute drive down a narrow mountain road to go under it. That's Bridge Day, I bet. Yeah, they have that every year.
Bridge Day.
People jump off the side of it. Ooh, can you imagine? Mom and Dad come to that every year on a motorcycle. Every year.
Yep, so there she is.
Here's how long it is.
Oh yeah, I said that, didn't I? The bridge is 3,030 feet long. The arch is 1,700 feet long. The roadway is 870 feet above the New River. Well, that shows you how high it is there, look.
She told me that her name was Jenny. She lived in a cabin on a hill in a coal mining town in West Virginia. I love Jenny and I guess always will. And I thought I'd always want to ramble. I thought I would never settle down. But I met her in the hills of West Virginia, in the heart of a coal mining town. I like the sound of the coal truck back in the hills hauling coal, and the beautiful mountains all around me. West Virginia, you've won my heart and soul. And I thought I'd always want to ramble. I thought I would never settle down. But I met her in the hills of West Virginia, in the heart of a coal mining town. And I thought I'd always want to ramble. I thought I would never settle down. But I met her in the hills of West Virginia, in the heart of a coal mining town. In the heart of a coal mining town. She told me that her name was Jenny. She lived in a cabin on a hill in a coal mining town in West Virginia. I love Jenny and I guess always will. And I thought